Sorry, but I don't pay for photos. Already paying. It's film. How you going, guys? Welcome to Arugam Bay on the east coast of Sri Lanka. I arrived here yesterday morning. Kind of used yesterday as a feeler day to check out the place. Arugam Bay is a little surf town. It's slightly westernised, quite a few tourists here, but it's not too hectic, although at the moment, because the surf is pretty good, it's almost like high season, although it's low season in Sri Lanka, if that makes sense. Excuse the crows, there's quite a few around. Yesterday I met a fellow Aussie and we cruised around. We actually went hoping to sight some elephants, but had no luck. When I first got here, it was very early, and there was, as you might be able to see behind me, a whole bunch of fishermen sorting out the early morning catches. And when I saw that, I was like, I really want to capture that. I'm going to get stuck straight into it. I'm going to shoot on Portra 400. It's pretty nice for her. Almost getting too bright, to be honest. There's a boat coming in, and I think I'm going to start with that, because that's really the first part of the whole process. Morning! First one. All right. I've been told to help, so I can't just take photos. Let's get a nice close-up here. There's sunlight behind him, so this might be quite bright. Film, you know?
Yeah, picture, yeah.
So this is them checking out the size of the fish. Here we go, this is quite nice. There's all sorts of stuff happening left, right and centre. I might head back the other way. Hello! Switch it up, get these two on the left for a phone. How you going, boys? Not many fish today.
Today no fish, no petrol money, no tea money, no medium.
You know this one? Cross your fingers.
Fingers.
Cross. This is lucky. Bring us fish. Holding.
Do you eat this?
We probably ate them.
Yeah.
Did not think he had 6 fish on the back of his bike if you saw him riding down the street. I want to get the boat being pulled up here. Shooting at F11 and 1/500th of a second. Boy. We are in Portra now, which is a couple of kilometres north of Arugam Bay, where these boys live. There's some awesome street scenes around the place here. Spent the day surfing after shooting the fisherman this morning. And I noticed yesterday driving past here, these kids were playing cricket, so asked if they were going to be playing today, which they are. Just got knocked for 6 a couple of times. Let's do it! Let's go! Oh, they're so friendly. So much energy. I remember when I had this much energy. Don't know where it all went. I've managed to escape the ambush of the kids. I got a couple shots left, and these guys are playing cards. It's really cool. They're next to a little hut where they make tea. They just drink tea and play cards all day long and eat snacks. How good. That's the roll donezo. Thanks for watching, guys. Real fun day. Got to surf in between shooting some photos, and it was nice to shoot the 400 speed early and later in the day. These guys have invited me back for some tea tomorrow. I think I will happily accept that offer. There's still so much to shoot around here. I'm still staying in Arugam Bay for another 2 nights at this stage. That's the Portra done.